How to prevent low egg production of our RTL hens.
Audio
Our last vaccination for our RTL hens is called ND, EBS, and ID. This is the last vaccination of our RTN hens and to be released next week. This vaccine is 3-in-1, which is called ND, EBS, and ID. This vaccine is given when the hens start to lay eggs, usually between 14 and 20 weeks of age. It is characterized by a sudden drop in production of eggs as well as its eggshell quality. This virus is often inactive until the chicks reach maturity. The mature chickens begin to excrete virus and transmit through the eggs and droppings. So usually the loss of color pigment in the eggs, followed by the production of thin shell, soft shell, and even shellless eggs. The shells may also be rough or pale in color. Watery egg whites and a reduction in egg size may also happen as well. It can also show a failure to reach a peak egg production. But don't worry, this can only happen to non-vaccinated chicken. The fall in egg production can be up to 40%. And take note, there is no treatment for EDS or egg drop syndrome. But there are ways in which chicken can be prevented from being infected by EDS. That's why vaccination for our RTL chickens is necessary. So be careful in choosing your supplier of RTL hens because this vaccination is a little bit expensive. Make sure that your supplier is reliable and trustworthy. So if you're wondering why your egg production is very low at their age, even if you already give them the best nutrition and vitamins they needed, one of the most possible reasons is they are infected with EDS because your RTL hens are not vaccinated. If you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like and share, and hit the notification bell down below. Thank you for watching. Bye!